Okay, in this video we're going to show how to align the pins on the FEM and how to eventually wire up the FEM correctly. This is a really important step. If we get this wrong, we're going to be in a lot of trouble at the other end. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the collar. Now you notice that there should be a metal ring inside that collar, and this antenna has been put in without the metal ring in there. The ring looks like this, and it's placed in the collar as such. The braids are supposed to come out, the braided cables, one cat cable coming out one side, and the coax and the optical cable on the other side. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is Steve here is going to just check the alignment of the pins before we remove the collar, and they should not be aligned very well. As you can see, they don't really line up too well. Okay, that's fine. So just going to remove this screw. Now this usually has 4 screws. The other very important thing to mention here is that these are M4 25 millimeter screws. The ones that actually go at the bottom, so as I said, are 25 millimeter long. However, the ones that go at the top that connect the FEM are 20 millimeter. Now people have been mistaking these, and it's actually quite bad, because it means that the FEM is just sitting there wobbling on the antenna. Okay, so now that we've removed the long screw, well, there should be 4 of them at the bottom. We've removed all of them. We can remove the collar. Okay, next step, we have our alignment tool. As you can see, it looks like it has quite a few pieces. Now the pins are actually going in there in the 4 corners here, and this tool right now does not have a way of stopping the pins going too far in. The next revision of this tool made by Dan Riley will. If you notice, you can see that the pins should sort of be flush with the collar at the top end. That means that they are aligned. So what we're going to do now is we're going to try to undo these screws, push them in with a screwdriver, make sure that we get the height correct, and then screw them back. If you look over here, you can see that the screws normally should be somewhere in the middle. They shouldn't be at the top end or at the bottom end. They should be somewhere in the middle if it's been done correctly. Okay, so that's the process we're going to do now. Thank you.